Welcome back to Trade Pro FX. Today is another amazing video, and today I have been really requested by most of you guys to talk about the cryptocurrency. So let's do a sample. So I talked about this thing that whenever you see a difference of 15 when we talk about cryptocurrency, you can trade using Ethereum or DAI. So let's do that math very fast. Let's see whether we have those conditions meet. So you just go. Normally you can use the Binance or bybit. So I'll just be using a demo of bybit. So let's do that. So here we have an account. Let's just do it. Let's go to the wallet and see. So we have how much USD? We have USDT. We are at 1050. We need to see this account grow from 1050 and above. So this is it. So the first thing, you can click on home, go to the Ethereum stroke USDT, look at the current price is at 1970. So click it there. You can see you are at spot. So and spot USDT currently 1971. So scroll sideways and go to DAI. Then you'll see DAI is at 1982. So you do the math. You just go 1982 minus 1970 or 1971. So do the math. It's 11, and I've told you the best is 15. So that tells you that trading there it's a bit risky when it comes to cryptocurrency. So let's ask ourselves. So just for purposes of illustrations, let me just do it. And so we have our amount there. So we have our amount, that is our price at 1970. So we need to buy here where we have the price at the lowest, then we sell it at DAI. So what you have to do, we have our USD here. So what do? We come to home. So you can do the vice versa, but the other way is the correct way. But also this one you can also do. So what you have to do, you come there. So we will buy Ethereum. So when we buy Ethereum, we have all our amount. So we have 1050. So we need to have more than this 1050. So you buy Ethereum. So buy. So you do that way. You can see order submitted successfully. There is a fee there, but no issue. So we have already bought Ethereum. So let's refresh here so that you can see what has happened. So you need to see that it has refreshed. So let's just do some let's first clear that and get back to bybit so that you understand. So we have already bought the price, the USDT. We have converted it to Ethereum. So let's first convert it. I can see it has not gone well. So we need to buy Ethereum. So you can see let's see what is happening. So we have USDT. We need to buy Ethereum. So click there, then buy. So let's see what is happening. Okay. So I think already we have. Let's go to the trades and see. So we can see modify. Okay, we forgot something. So let's first buy at that point. So we're going to first stop this so I can see where the issue is. So modify. So we need to cancel this. So cancelled. So we have cancelled that so that we can do something. So we want Ethereum. You click there. So we want to change Ethereum to USD, from USDT to Ethereum. So what do we do? So what we have to do, we don't want to use the limit. We want to use the market, the current market order price. So we are going to get Ethereum at 0.53044. So we have no issue. So buy. So you see we have bought it at market. The first point we had used the limit. So we don't want a limit. So we get there. You can see USDT done. So what we have to do, we have our Ethereum at 5324. So 5324. So already we have bought Ethereum, so we need to go to click Ethereum. From Ethereum, remember we had 1050, it needs to be more, so we go here to DAI. Then from DAI we can still see it is at 1982, so we click there and sell our Ethereum back to USDT. So that is what goes on. So let's do that. So we are going to sell it at market price, so we get to see there, then sell. So you proceed or swipe anyway, so sell, then we are done. We have sold it to DAI, so we have our DAI here. So DAI at 1054. So from DAI we sell it to back to USDT. So we see we are let's sell that back to USDT. So we have returned everything to DAI. So you can see we have USDT at 1054. So we have earned 4 USD from 1050. So but the best way is to do it the other way around. So when the spot is more, so when you come here and spot that and see that this one is more, Ethereum here is more, you can see right now it's at 1969. So if it is more compared to DAI on this point, so you buy this, you buy Ethereum, then sell it to the spot. That is the best way. Maybe when I get a certain time that it has aligned and the difference is around for 15, I'll always upload, I'll show you how to do it. So that's how you can do when we talk about the crypto, already at 4 something USD. So let's meet in the next video, and that is it. Very simple as that. You buy rest. Let's see whether we can get some entry again. So the last entry, so we come, so what you have to do is you get to the USD, here you turn, you convert, you buy Ethereum, simple as that. So at market price, so let's see, we have turned now 1054, we need to get more than that. So after we have bought there, we have bought Ethereum, now we convert it to we get back again Ethereum, we click there, you go back to DAI, so we still sell it here because we have Ethereum already. After you do that, you sell it. So let's do that, sell Ethereum at the market price. So let's do again. So here then we get to DAI and then we sell it. So you put everything and then sell. So let's see what's happening. So there is an issue here. So at market price, so that is it, sell. So proceed anyway, proceed. So you have sold back to DAI, so you have now DAI, you convert it to USDT. So sell now again, DAI to USDT, sell. Then let me show you, sell. So when we need to see 1054 added, so you can see 1059, and that is how you do, that's how you do it. So let's meet in the next video. If you want more of these crypto exchange buy and sell, just DM I may if in case you have any questions. So let's meet in the next video. This is Trade Pro FX. Bye bye.